Welcome to Regency Glass, where the difference is clear.
In this video, we'll explain to you what TPS is and how it's used.
TPS is a thermoplastic spacer bar that is a component in insulating glass units. This product replaces the conventional spacer bar used within an IGU and is a preferred method when creating Regency Triple featuring Corning Enlighten Glass. TPS is a primary sealant that separates the glass panes, creating a sealed space and preventing heat transfer, which in turn reduces heat loss and condensation. The application of TPS is a fully automated process. TPS can be used in both double-glazed and triple-glazed units. When applying TPS, a robotic head, equipped with an extrusion nozzle, applies the TPS directly onto the edge of the glass. The TPS is applied in a continuous process, forming a precise clean spacer bar along the perimeter. The robot automatically adjusts the width and position of the TPS for each unit based on the required thickness. Making precise units to a customer-specified cavity has never been easier. This also eliminates the need for awkward unit thicknesses when incorporating laminated glass. The pieces of glass will then come together to make the end product, which is a sealed IGU with industry-leading gas retention. For more information on TPS, feel free to get in touch with either Regency Glass or your local window supplier.